Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Core for Any. Today we will find out the one full delivery app design. Here the complete design available for to create order to take on delivery. This is the create and this design are the created inside the Adobe XD and created by the Alika Virakun which developed this design, and you need to see here the overview. And here the use four colors, orange, gray, light gray and extra light gray color use here, four type color use. And inside your the metropolix fonts use, and five variant use here: regular, medium, semi bold, bold and extra bold font use here. And here they develop the UI outlook display here, and the mobile browser display here. And with all design here the created and detail explain inside the XD file. We need to first of all download. Here to download this XD file, here to click and download this file. I have already downloaded this file and we need to click here. Now here to download, and we to press and the download button, press and we to download this. And I have opened this design here, and one by one the introductions these designs. First of the play screen, this is the here, and here the welcome screen here develop here. And then we need to create here the login screen with the social login, Facebook and Google. And then after create here the sign up screen, here the use here some field name, email address, mobile number, address, password and confirm password we need to create. And here more screen create here the reset password. And then we need to create here the OTP screen, mobile OTP screen, and we need to create here new password screen. Then we need to onboarding screen here available, 3 onboarding screen available here. Then we need to create here the this is the main screen has a home screen, this is the home screen, and center flat button available here. And go app bar need to create it here. And here the list out the popular restaurants, and horizontal category display, search bars and current location to delivery here, and cart icon. And then we need to create here the menu like the categories, which type the category like food, delicious and like this. And here the category inside the category details, here the list out the all items, here the list out like food list out here. And then to create here the food details, here the tandoori chicken pizza design need to draw here the change size and select ingredient which ingredient needed. And need to order, click plus or minus the quantity and add to cart button. And then we need to check here this design inside the last offer, and list out here the restaurants and check here the offer available or not. The offer list tab need to develop here. And let's start here this is the profile screen here, and here the edit photos and change name, email address, mobile numbers and address, password, change password need to available here directly. And another screen is the more and payment details, my orders, notification, inbox and about us need to develop. And this is the payment detail we have not developed because we need to only create the design. UIUX develop here, and here the information is the cart. You need to develop this design. Here the notification list, the pickup, your pickup has been delivered like status list here, and with the app about screen here. And then we need to create here the inbox, here the related promotional message for the in. And we need to create here the my history for the given the orders list here and available, check here. And here the delivery instructions, not if you give the notes and subtitles, delivery cost, totals and checkout, and the checkout screen. Let's start here the create here the checkout screen, and need to put here the user delivery address, and user can change this address. And here the provide the payment method list like cash on delivery, visa cards and PayPal's. and here detail the subtotal details, and here the price related information show here, and click to send button and open the credit card information to pay. And here the chain address screen here available to direct map to pick up here this screen. And we need to complete here the thank you for the order into here the 27 screen available, and we need to develop and convert into Flutter mobile app. Now we need to create here the Flutter new project. We need to create here the create here first, write down to commit the project here, and we need to give it the organization any, and we need to give here the project name food delivery, now we need to create the full delivery, and now here the created test project done, and we need to open inside the text coder, open here the, and we need to put here this project food delivery, and we need to create here first of all here the set folder. We need to create here, we need to copy here the set spelling, copy this, create here new folder, write down here the set, and inside we need to create here first of all font folder, then we need to create IMG folder for the, and we need to create here inside the zip folder. We need to create here the common structure. We need to develop first of all here the create common view for the common, and then we need to create here the new folders common widget for the whole common widget here, put here, and easy to find. And then we need to create here the view for the whole screen develop inside this view folder, and we need to inside create one folder again, then we need to create another folder home for the home page, and now we need to create here the another folder main tab, then we need to create here the onboarding screen develop, and today we need to create the onboarding screen and welcome screen we need to develop first of all, and then after we need to next video we need to create here the login screen and login flow to develop. Let's start. First of all we need to put here the font folder, inside we need to give here the font, open here font, and I have already downloaded this font, Google font, download it, and to put insert here, and we need to configure here first of all the font and set folder configure it. Need to copy this relative path here, and then we need to the font we need to comment, and we do, and we need to put, and we do put here, and now we need to give here the regular font here. Then we need to give here the medium font, copy related path, and set here the 500 for the bold, 700 for the bold, and 800 for extra bold. To copy this relative path, and we to put here. Copy semi bold, we need to copy relative path, and now we need to copy here the bold relative path and to set here. Now save this. First of all, we need to copy and set this theme family. We need to set inside the main theme. We need to first of all to remove this my home page. We need to remove this on it, and we need to set here the one here. Now save. Now we need to first of all develop as a welcome screen. We need to set here the play screen to create new files. To write down here the welcome screen plus view, and now we need to create here the stateful widget. We need to develop here the widget here and to write down this. Change this name to startup. This, and to first of all import here the material dependency. We need to import here and to copy this and paste here the advanced value. And we need to import this widget here. Need to change this to save this, save it. Now we need to create here the scaffold. And here need first here the one simulator. Now we need to create here the command inside. We need to first of all add here the primary color, secondary text color. We need to put here, give here the name, the picture. Now we need to create here first of all the color, and to develop here the static method. Color, and we to give the name primary, and we to set here colors, semicolon. Tuple input here the material. Let's see first of all. Now need to color, here primary. Now copy the primary text color, color, now we need to create here the secondary text color. To write down this color, text color. Very color. Secondary. Color. Save this. Another color we to set here the placeholder. Now save this, done, and we need to develop first a top screen. Go inside screen, screen. Export this logo size. And we need to export. For this BG image, we need to export first of all. Now we need to, after we need this onboarding screen, we need to develop this screen. Come screen, not develop the sign up flow. We need to create the onboarding screen. Export. Shader. Size. Then let's start the coding. The screen, we need to import inside the EMG. Put these all images here. Check here. Display screen. Now start the project. To stack. Set this column first of all into what is the stack, and we need to write down the image dot set and SPG copy relative path, and we to put here. Get here the and here and media query. Of text dot size, past here size and width into past here media width, right, and we to give it and the code need to set here. Speed, send in. Child runs child and we do breakfast center. Now we do center. And to set here is there, and we to change here pages full. And we do here now save this and wait for the run tab. And then we need to create here the new screen. And here stateful widget first of all, and welcome dot save. Need to first of all import here the material dependency here to create up. And we to write down here body and get here the stack. And give it children's, and we need to give here the alignment first of all. We need to set here we need to set here set and variable vary. Set here place background not welcome top shader. We need to copy this relative path and write down media width. Towards and here slash save this. Now we need to copy this startup this way. center. Save this and on in it. State we need to write down here function. And change to write it the 2 second. Set second turn into automatically set here next screen set here push set here right down semicolon. So this and now go inside the main and we need to check show inner at false here. Automatically change the screen after 2 seconds. Start the trigger. Second. Right. Start this. And now we need to fix this image issue. We need to set here the Wi-Fi need to pick the and now display goods and similar. Now need to create here some height space. We need to write down it here. The height is a media and person need to person with 2 and okay. Now we need to create here the login button with banner, and we need to give here the height by 6. On to the color, to all import here extension, need to give here the border radius set here, set circle 8. Extension zero. Dot. The padding by vertically not vertical, horizontal. And now we need to create here the center login text into child, element as a center. Style at here, font size, check in city file, 16 and Simon font weight 100 equal to and now login button are the and we need to convert this login button to common button, because we one time create and multiple time use we get inside the down here side. Now we need to write down here last class widget we need on button. We need to first of all here the import material dependency, and we need to get the final property. We need to double the idea. Done. Button title. Now we need to pass here the this dot now we need to the work button down here help button down here the and to pass here on press and title as a pass as a support this color extension. And now we need to now save this button, and we need to spelling this button typo. Now we need to copy. First of all, import this round button widget. Import here and to write down enter. Login. On press event. Now we need to enter here. Create here the create account. Now this button are need to convert the step to create and to set tab here. Now go inside the round button and triple enable. Write down type. Prime. And now to type button stop type. Down here type. We to pass here the optional value type by default primary and we to set here because this project always this primary button sometimes text primary button, that's why by default set most you can use because every time not write down the read the type That's why I need to set configure type well, and if to set here now. Primary color, and one more property order down here, and we need to check here type primary, no need border, last here past year, give here. Now save this button and go inside the to give here pass here type. Round button must be text button. Save. So now change this button, and now need to clear this center text. Copy this text field inside the secondary text. Now we need to listen and to give it that here text line. And to check your font size is 30 and site and now then are the completed here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notification. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.